Today, we're making a mini rose that can be placed inside a glass dome. With Valentine's Day just around the corner, a handmade, everlasting rose is the perfect symbol of love. Let's start with the petals. We'll need to make 3 layers in total. Fold them in half from the middle, like this way. Use a flat iron to smooth them out. Lightly singe the fuzz off with a flame to make it look more realistic. Next, let's make the calyx and leaves. Use a flat iron to smooth out the green pipe cleaner. We need 5 sepals. Trim the top to a point. Similarly, gently burn off the fuzz. Next, let's make the leaves. We need 6 leaves. Fold half of the green pipe cleaner to make the flower stem. Now, let's assemble the petals, sepals, and leaves. And there you have it, we're all done.